Hello and welcome in the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind. I am Dr. Vilas Kadekar. Episode number 23. Today's rubric is audacity. What is meant by audacity? Audacity is a daring, boldness with assurance, too much self-confidence, or it is a negative boldness. A Hindi meaning of audacity is स्तब्ध कर देने वाला आचरण या व्यवहार, दिलेरी, निडरपन. मराठी मीनिंग इज उद्धटपणा, धीटपणा. Now we'll see the audacity. First is aconite, agaricus, arnica, aurum, belladonna, capsicum, carcinosin, causticum, floric acid, gelsemium, hipparsulf, ignitia, lycinum, medorinum, murk, muriatic acid, natrum mur, nux vomica, opium, platina, pulsatilla, sepia, silicia, spongia, staphysagra, stramonium, sulfur, tuberculinum, and last veratrum. So these are the number of remedies for the audacity. Now we will see the cross references for audacity. The first cross reference is assertive. Assertive means a confident, expressing opinion, desires strongly and with a confidence, so that people take notice, or it is a dogmatic. Then next cross reference is boldness. Boldness is a brave, fearless from danger, fearless before danger, assured and confident. This is boldness. Then contradiction, disposition to contradict. What is my contradiction? Contradiction is a tendency to assert opposite of, or a tendency to oppose or to contradict others, or speech, action or version of anybody with argument and by using the his intellect. Opposition, whether by words, reproaches or attempts to defeat. This is contradiction. The next cross reference, courageous. Courageous means brave, boldness, the ability to control your fear in a dangerous or difficult situation, able to face and deal with a danger or fear without flinching, mental or moral strength to venture, preserve and withstand danger, fear or difficulty. This is courageous. The next cross reference is defiant. Defiant means show defiancy, means tendency to defy moral rules and regulation despite any warning or advice. Openly refusing to obey, sometimes in an aggressive way. To refuse to obey or to act or to obey against a person, decision, law, situation, etc. The next cross reference, high spirited. High spirited means courageous, very lively and active, a bold, energetic feeling despite being replaced in a tense situation. Lively and cheerful in behavior or mood. Patient never allows their spirit to go low. Even in low life situation, they try to be cheerful. This is low spirited. Then impertinence. Impertinence means rudeness, not appropriate and respectful behavior towards someone. Rude and not respectful, especially towards someone older or in a higher position than you. This is impertinence. Then insolent. Insolent means insulting behavior. Whenever he has to call to elders, he will call with him by name, having no regards or respect to them, extremely rude and showing a lack of respect. This is insolent. Then meddlesome. Meddlesome means to intrude or to interfere in the person's affairs repeatedly, an inconvenient request though they does not concern them, or it is a quality of a person to interfere in something that is not one's concern, that is meddlesome. Then positiveness. Positive means full of confidence in his own decision and will never accept them others' opinion. This is positiveness. Then presumptuous. Presumptuous means too bold or overconfident, the quality of being encouraging or promising of a successful outcome. One who undertakes or ventures to do something as by taking a liberty unwarrantedly, showing undue boldness. This is presumptuous. Then rash. Rash means it is a quality of acting hastily and incautiously. Undue haste, rashness is characterized by an apparently willful disregard of possible danger. Then rudeness. Rudeness means roughness, bad manners, general habitual deficiency in manner, rough, harsh, ungentle, unkind, characterized by rough or violent behavior. This is rudeness. Then timidity. Timidity means extremely confident behavior that people are likely to consider rude or rashness. This is timidity. Then what is the miasm of audacity? Miasm is psychosis. Then what are the disease condition or psychiatric condition of audacity? First is personality disorder, second is organic brain syndrome, and third is schizophrenia. So this is all about the audacity. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. We will meet in next episode with a new rubric. Till then, take care. Thank you.